All right, guys. It's a stormy, post-stormy night here in Disney Springs. Kay's wrapped up tight because she hates water and weather. So I've been toying with this all day, for a week now. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the customer service area here. I'm going to buy an annual pass. And I'm really scared because I keep trying this YouTube thing and I'm not sure if it's going to work. So I'm going to blow a whole bunch of money with my wife's permission. I asked, didn't I? Informed wife, happy wife. And then again, try to come down here every month or 6 weeks or so and bring some folks some Disney content because no one else is doing that. It's a really novel idea to be a Disney vlogger. But I'm going to try it. I'm having a good time. I'm a little nervous, I'm not going to lie, because I'm worried what if it doesn't work. That just means I need to go to Disney 10 times and then I haven't wasted any money, right? I've just spent all the money I would spend at once instead of doling it out over some time. But I tried to do it online a couple times and it didn't work great. It's kept stalling. And then I finally got it to work. But here's the deal, guys. We've been here since yesterday and I've already missed out on like, well, 20% at Morimoto, that'd have been $40. 10% at Eat, that'd have been $7, so 40. So I'm down like $65 already. So let's go see what happens when you buy an annual pass.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
And we've been here for spring break. I don't know why I think it's important or interesting to buy this pass in person, but I'm gonna try it. But we've been here and take a look. I mean, this ain't bad. Now, it rained pretty good. We had lunch, well, like an old person dinner. But lunch, dinner, 4:30. We ate at 4:30 and it was awesome. At Morimoto, had those ribs. And it was pretty busy then, and then it's rained, but it was raining while we were here, so this is like a post-rain crowd, and I think this is pretty good for a leisurely stroll through. Look, there's Starbucks, and there's Joffrey's. I wonder if like they sit around and throw things. That guy's on his phone, so he's not really doing Team Joffrey's much. But I wonder if they fight back and forth, putting themselves that close together. Maybe they throw stirs or creamer or those little cardboard things that go around your coffee to keep you from burning your hand. Maybe they shoot those back and forth. I don't know. Here's some Legos. I think the Lego store might be the longest ride in Disneyland right now. Or Disney World, where we are. I'm not sure what's going on in Disneyland. There's our hotel off in the distance. An old Nessie. So it sounds like there's a Disney ticket center somewhere around this way. But I thought guest services was over there where it's now a photo pass thing. Look, there's old Mickey. Oh, and we're down $70. I don't know if you got them for free or not, but we're down also. We bought our pictures on
oh right, we could have gotten
right from the auto car.
Yep.
I'm not a good planner, guys. If you're watching this and it's a little helter-skelter, trust me, I understand. You're not alone in thinking that. Oh look, dinosaur. Ooh, someone's smoking. It's so weird to smell smoke. I didn't even think people smoked anymore. Here's the old Paddlefish. We've not eaten there. Our Captain Dale yesterday was telling us that they do a lot of weddings there. Oh, that's zooming in. I wasn't trying to do that. Trying to go up a little bit. We made reservations there last year, right? And decided against it because the menu was kind of like a crawfish boil. All right, enjoy the stroll while I check my map. I feel like it was over by Art Chef's homecoming, like across the water near Lululemon.
Oh, okay.
Probably like $5. It's not open yet.
I think it's probably.
Well, let's go look. But I think it's still, I think we walked by it earlier. Yeah, we did. We walked right by where it would have been earlier. I mean, this is a great night in Disney Springs. I mean, it is perfect temperature. I'm wearing long sleeves, but shorts and flip-flops, as is my way. And, I mean, it's, dare I say, chilly? Not too crazy on the crowds. And this is spring break, kids.
Well, for us. Florida already had theirs.
Well, yeah, but
yeah, other parts of the country. Maybe Virginia's the only last,
maybe so.
or Virginia Beach is the only district left.
Did Morimoto used to light up like that? All right, let's go across this bridge. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's the Coors playing K-Loves now. I don't have her mic on her, so I can't tell if you can hear what she says. Look how pretty.
Very pretty.
Look at that little float. Like a little pagoda. All right, so if there's a Lululemon, it's straight ahead.
Right, correct?
Right. I always wonder if this is interesting. If anyone's watching, let me know in the comments what you think. Like, are these walking things interesting? Should I talk more? I feel like if I focus on me, it's just interesting to me. Like, even my family doesn't watch these videos, and they should.
A little guilt trip. Pack your bags.
Well, you'll be sorry.
You'll rue the day.
I feel like it's over here, but it seems like a weird spot for it. I can honestly say I've never been in there. We had some friends over, and they live in St. Augustine, not too far from here. Oh, Gateway, that's Disney Vacation Center. That's not what I'm looking for. What's that?
Just pointing out some.
Oh, I'm pretty sure. All right, now I'm lost. Let's see what this place looks like. There's a picture of it. Disney Springs Welcome Center Guest Relations. Right, this is good content, right? Okay, well maybe it is this way.
I feel like I should go out.
Yeah, go ahead. Kay's got the camera, guys. Be careful. Yeah, I'm in the video plenty. It says I'm going the wrong way. Oh, I think this is it. All right, I'm not going to film this. Let's go in and see how this works. All right, third spot is the charm. I really want to do that in our house. Here, let me show you what I'm looking at because that looks stupid. I really want to hang lanterns like this. We have a big live oak. And I think that would look really cool. You know, it's funny. I don't think, I couldn't even tell you the last time that I bought a ticket from, you know, you just go online. I don't know why I think it's fun to do it in person, but let's see. This is the room. Where you can buy an annual pass. And I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it, I swear. I'm so scared. I like that they give you a nice red carpet experience. And then you can wait right there before you get to a counter. Look at that. That's a lot of do-re-mi right there. But let's be clear here too. This was not a trigger decision. It was not spontaneous. I've been thinking about this for how long? 6 months. 6 months about actually allocating funds and setting it aside and budgeting, which I am not good at. Kay will tell you. Tell them.
It's true.
I'm okay with it. I know who I am. I'm trying to be better. So, thought carefully about this, gotten permission from my better self. I like that better than better half. You're my better self. So anyway, now I'm an annual pass holder, and that's really exciting and scary and awesome. So now, tomorrow we're gonna jump into Epcot and maybe even do a little park hopping and see how that goes. So I think that's it. I'm gonna go, well wait, I'm gonna walk through here. I've already filmed this part, so I won't re-tour this. But maybe I'll film a little more just walking around Disney Springs, and then I will go and find a Mickey bar to celebrate. So exciting. All right, maybe just a little more walking because we didn't walk around this way. And then I gotta find a spot that will do, that has a Mickey bar. I know we've gotten them here, but I don't know where. I should have asked those people. They seem to know everything. So pretty. Again, everything just changes with night. Like whoever lit this place is a genius. Like maybe malls wouldn't die if they all looked like this. Like I don't know. I would watch a video of just kind of wandering around. I know there's folks that do it, like maybe not even talking, but just literally wandering around Disney, filming it. I don't know. Maybe I wouldn't do that all the time. I'd do it once. So we were just over there. Some people don't like all these kids, but I like it. Kind of reminds me of my kids were little, and I feel like you just set the expectation that you're going to come here and see a bunch of kids. It's like if you go to a water park, you should expect to be wet, right?
Yes. Huh? They will splash you.
They will splash you. Is that Lululemon? It's sad when you know a brand sign from
From a very odd angle.
can't even see anything. I do agree with that. We should free people. Johnny was. What was that store that I liked that sold like Olukai stuff and kind of surf things? Going into Lululemon. Not going to be pretty. The case taking a little survey here. All right, just tell her you're done. Look. Kay got pins. Show us your pins, Kay. Oh, yeah, that's too high. Oh, there they are. So we both got them. So it's a great day to be here in Disney Springs. Let me see your pins. So look, I'll mail these to you. You can have them if you subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll probably get this video up on Sunday. Today is, what's today?
Today is Wednesday.
And I will mail you those pens, these collectible pens that they're giving away only here at Disney Springs. Send them right to your doorstep. You don't have to do a thing. No survey, no wandering around. I'm doing the hard work for you. So if you subscribe and comment below, you got to comment and subscribe. And you don't have to like it. I don't even care if you like it. Just subscribe and comment, and I'll pick one person, send you these magnificent, once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get pins, be the envy of your friends and neighbors. What a great day to be an annual pass holder. All right, that's it, guys. I can't remember if I said goodbye. I had a Mickey bar. I made a little quick thing of me eating a Mickey bar while holding a season pass. I called Truist because they were ready to send out whatever armed squad they have to monitor everyone's spending. But I feel like that's a different YouTube channel. I can go on and on in that conversation, but I try to stay out of politics and opinions. But look, guys, how cool is that? Old Mickey, right there. Stay tuned, guys. It's all happening, man. It's all coming your way. I swear I'm doing this just for you. See you real soon.